No, it's not correct. Even if there are lawyers, it doesn't matter. It is the judge that will not fire. I remember last time when I wanted to make more than five. He said no. That's what I'm saying. Even if we have to come to you, why you not for the judges to say you can annul the 21? It's my prerogative as the lead counsel to announce my case. Nobody can take that from me. Nobody should have been arrogant. Exactly. Nobody.
So, why can't I want him to come in?
No, take this thing easy. Nobody is stopping anybody. Even me, you have been stopping me and for more than 10 minutes. It's not. This lawyer was brought to the bar together with me on the same day. It's not the donor they have with me. You have to complain, but what you are doing is somebody wants to have a career and refuse to call you. They called me. And they want me. I will point it out to the court. Point it out to the court. Oh, my brother, let the judge know. No,